Hey guys, I'm here in Brussels, and first of all I want to thank all our viewers for watching, and also all our new subscribers, because you guys are amazing. Thank you for watching our channel, and we hope you continue to do so. So where I'm heading now, here in Brussels, right there, see where those three arches are? That's where I'm going right now, because somewhere there, there is a plane museum, an airplane museum. So that's where I'm heading. So I want to go see what there is to see there. So that's where I'm heading, guys. So guys, I was walking here in this park, you know, towards those three arches that you just saw, and I was wondering what's behind the fence here, the edge, because I hear cars. So they have the highway running in the middle of this park, underground, all the way under those arches. I was impressed, actually. This place is huge, guys. Take a look. I hope you can see it okay with the lighting. Yeah, slowly pan around here. It's huge, humongously big. There. So I keep on going through the arches, and somewhere there I hope to find that museum. Okay, let's keep going. Look at the statues there on top. Holy, huge. So this thing was built in 1905, it says on the top. So oh, oh, here it is. Here is the entrance, guys. A Royal Army Museum, where apparently it's planes are supposed to be, or maybe it's that one building, or maybe it's that building, but they're working on that one, so let's go ask. I got in here, guys, but it's a part of a war museum. So the plane museum is attached to this one, so I have to go through this first to see planes apparently. Holy, look at this. This is all from way back, from the time of Napoleon, I think. Holy, look at these. The cannons that are sitting here. That's not, or maybe World War I, I have no clue. So I make my way to the airplanes now. This is World War I actually, it says on the sign. Holy. Look at these big suckers here. So that's what they used in World War I apparently. Holy. Look at this. This bomb is as tall as me. I'm getting closer and closer to the planes, guys. Because look at this. Here is hanging one already. Apparently from World War I, you know. And here at the bottom you see some tanks. Look at this big guy here. Here's another one. Okay, let's go to see the planes now because look at this thing here. Holy. Found it. Here it is. Look at this, guys. These are actually bomber planes from the war, but it should be a little bit of everything here. I need to go slow, otherwise it's difficult to see here. Look at this, is a chopper. You can see the blades here. Here. And this part was the guy who was shooting the cannons, probably. A big tank. And here we have a fighter jet. Looks like a regular plane that way. Planes are flying by outside here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that was funny. Look at bomber planes. Another chopper here. It looks like a sort of flying school. So big chopper. Here is a big, huge fighter jet. Look at this thing. And overhead is hanging this huge big monster here. It looks like a passenger plane actually. An old one. There we go. Let's go further around. Apparently, guys, this is all more war related. So these are lots of fighter planes. It would be neat if I could go sit in one, see how it looks like, but I don't think that's a possibility. Oh, take another look at that plane again there. A 707. Oh, part of it. This is actually a regular passenger plane. And here is a tire from those planes up close. So the tire must be about 4.5 feet high probably. And this is an engine, I assume from this plane because it's right next to it. Although it looks kind of small for this big of a plane, but that company was a Belgium company and they went out of business a long time ago, so who knows what it is. big one there too, holy. Also looks like sort of a passenger plane. And then we have here some more warplanes, I guess. Oh. This is a passenger plane for sure, an old one. It is the DC-3 Dakota. Apparently, because to be honest with you guys, I know nothing about airplanes. I only fly them once in a while. Here is a big one, and there are stairs, so I assume we can go in. That's as far as I can go in. This was apparently in the war a people transport plane. So they transported people and goods with this one. There's a tail. And here's our way back out. Here a view from higher up, guys. I went upstairs and this is where I just was, downstairs here. Take a look at all the planes. I'm gonna slowly go around so you can see it a bit. That's a passenger plane too. From the old days. And here are the real oldies. I think it's been a while since they dusted in here because the planes are under a nice layer of dust. I don't know if you can see that, but it's time for a cleaning, that's for sure. There. Okay guys, I think I've seen it all, more or less, for planes. So let's find my way back out. this must be one of the first airplanes. Look at this, the whole thing is held together with these tiny wires here. Holy. And that was it. One passenger and an engine. And this is an old one. And here is a statue. Must be the Queen of the Skies. Who knows? There we go. Mr. Bald. Treasures of the Russian Empire. There you go. I don't know if there is anything to see here. It's kind of dark in here. I wonder what the treasures of the Russian Empire are doing here in Belgium. No idea. This is a question for Mr. Bald.
Like and subscribe!